Hello, Dr. Olupona. My name is Lucas and I'm with Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency and I was making some research on the area and happened to come across your website. So I figured to shoot you this short video of 3 tips on how can you start beating your competition online. Please, if you like what you see, uh, get back to me so we can chat. I'm gonna keep it nice and short because I don't want to waste your time, okay? Mine either. So those tips would be content, citations, and backlinks. Content is basically, as you see here, all the text that you have on your website, all the pictures, with how the pictures are saved as well as where it is behind the pictures. So those are all things that the search engine can read to figure what is the business you're in, what services are you offering, and all that stuff. So basically, what Google likes to see is a lot of keyword rich and oriented authoritative content on the website in order to give you the trust and the power to rank on top of the Google results when somebody's looking for certain terms. Okay. So that way you will be found and you will get way more traffic and way more patients through through online. So that said, let's go for the citations. All right. So I see you have some content over here, but it would be ideal to have some more like text and make sure that it's a keyword rich oriented. Okay. Then, for example, you look for Podiatrist Miami. Okay. I see that this is the MacPack, and then these are the organic results. Sometimes when you search, you can see here some ads. Those sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not, just because some people had bad experiences with them in the past, or some people, which is very common right now, they had ad blocks. So in that situation, they won't even see the ads. So it's impossible that they can click on them if they don't see them. Okay. But for the organic results on the MacPack, you can rank on the top over here if you have a lot of citations, which is basically your business name and address and phone number, the same way that you have it in Google, listed in different directories throughout the web. For that, like you can use like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, Star, all those kind of directories they count. All right. And the more citations you have, the more trust and power Google gives you, and the higher you rank on the Google MacPack. Those also would give a little bit of a strength towards the organic ranking, which is this one that is the one that is most important because here is the one that people trust the most and click the most to get their services. All right. So in order to be here, you would need to get to backlinks. All right. A backlink is basically your website mentioned in another website that you can click and directs you back to your website. And for that, not all backlinks are created equal. All right. You can be mentioned in a forum that talk about cars or about food. Okay. And it's not as strong as if other doctor's clinic or even another podiatrist they mention you in their website, like if you're in this area we work with these people, or in this, we trust these people, this doctor. Those, when it's in the same niche, they give you way more strength and trust for Google to rank high. Okay. So that would be what we will go for. And then if I take your website here and I put it on Ahrefs, I see that this is a tool that we use, kind of gives us an idea of how are you doing online, how's your website doing. So I can see here that this would be the power and trust that Google gives you to rank. Okay. I see that you have some, but in order to rank on the top, on the first result, we would need some more. Okay. But the most important thing is not this, but this. How many, you have 15 referring domains that give you a total of 91 backlinks. This is what we want to go for. Okay. The more backlinks and mostly the more strong backlinks that we build, the higher we're going to rank in Google and the closest these two numbers are going to be. Okay. This is what we want to go for. So this is giving you 184 keywords that you're ranking for, with around 59 people a month that is going through your website. And if we go down the keywords over here, okay, we can see that you are ranking for bone surgery, minimally invasive, which is a lot of search, but all these searches are nationwide, so it's very hard to rank for them. You always want to go more for like local, like Podiatrist Miami here. I see you're ranking for it. It has 700 searches every month, and you're on the 33rd position. That is probably around the seventh page of Google. So by building a healthy backlink profile and strong, when people look for Podiatrist Miami, uh, Food Doctor Miami, all that kind of stuff that you're not even search for, you would be on the first position and you would be getting all that traffic that turns into business. Okay, so pretty much that's it. Those are the three tips I had for you today. If you see here, for example, your competition, when you go here, the first one is Edward Bustamante. If you put his website here, all right, on Ahrefs, we can see he doesn't really have much strong trust or power from Google either, but you can see that he has way more backlinks, all right, and probably stronger. That's what he's ranking. He's ranking for 453 keywords, all right? That gives him 350 people every single month going through their website. So these are 350 potential patients. Okay, so by doing that I mentioned earlier, we can be on the first position and be getting all this stuff. All right. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you like what you hear, please get back to me. You have my information and we can chat. If not, please just take these tips for free so you can put them in action. And the only thing I would ask for is if you can leave me a little review, that would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.